Hello everyone! Today I want to make slime out of clay. I saw these popular videos on Instagram. So I have this blue clay. And now I'm going to add water. This is warm water. And slowly we are going to dissolve all the clay into the water. I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. And now I am going to add some soap into some water. Shake it. We have to make foam. Here is the clay. And now pour the foam . And mix it. We have to dissolve all the clay. So we have a thick paste. My clay was a little bit hard, and that's okay, because that means that if you have a clay that hardens, you can make it to slime and not waste it. And now I'm going to activate it with borax. Here I have borax dissolved in water. Let's mix it. So apparently this doesn't work. The big clay does not make slime. I know that this works because I've tried with smaller clay, but this is different. I bought it from somewhere else. And okay, let's try it with the small clay, and I'm going to show you that this really works. I think you have to be careful what clay you buy. This is a harder clay, maybe, softer clays are better. I'm going to save this by adding glue and make it into slime. So this is the slime. Super fluffy. Okay, let's do the clay thing again really fast. So I have this clay. I'm going to take the blue one. Just a little bit of water. To make it really like a paste. Going to drain some water. Yeah, so this is the texture that we want. Okay, I'm going to add the foam with this. And we have the paste. Now I'm going to add borax. and as you can see, this clamps up together. And here is the slime. If you add too much activator, as I did, you simply just add some more warm water. It's a little bit fluffy.